Hi friends, in this video, you are going to see important formulas used in profit and loss.
Gain equals SP minus CP. Loss equals CP minus SP.
Loss or gain is always reckoned on CP. Gain percent. Gain percent equals gain into 100 by CP. Loss percent. Loss percent equals loss into 100 by CP. Selling price, SP. SP equals 100 plus gain percent by 100 into CP. Selling price, SP. SP equals 100 minus loss percent by 100 into CP. Cost price, CP. CP equals 100 by 100 plus gain percent into SP. Cost price, CP. CP equals 100 by 100 minus loss percent into SP. If an article is sold at a gain of, say 35%, then SP equals 135% of CP. If an article is sold at a loss of, say, 35%, then SP equals 65% of CP. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of, say X%, and the other at a loss of X%, then the seller always incurs a loss, given by loss percent equals common loss and gain percent by 10, the whole square, equals X by 10, the whole square. If a trader professes to sell his goods at cost price, but uses false weights, then gain percent equals error, true value minus error, into 100%. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.